Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah. I am Miss Mehwish, your Islamia teacher. Today we are going to do unit number 2. Allah is merciful. We are going to do its reading and explanation, and we are going to do an exercise on page number 10 also. So let's start it. Allah is merciful. Allah is the creator and sustainer of this world. In previous lesson, unit number 1, we have learned that Allah is the creator of all the things. This world did not come into existence by itself. Allah made it, and Allah is the creator of all things we see and those which we cannot see. So, He is the one who is the maker of this world. He is the one who is the sustainer of this world. He is merciful. He is the Lord of the day of the judgment. Allah is merciful. If we do something wrong, then Allah will forgive us. Why? Because He is merciful. He is the Lord of the day of judgment. What is the day of judgment? A day when this world comes to an end. Then what will happen? Then everybody will be rewarded according to the deeds they will do in this world. If we are going to do good deeds, Allah will reward us with Jannat. Allah will reward us with heaven. And if we are going to do bad deeds, then we will be punished. Okay, so and who will be the boss of that day? Only Allah. Allah is the Lord of the day of the judgment. Nothing on earth is hidden from Allah. He knows everything. He has full knowledge of everything. He is all seeing and all hearing. He is very near to us. He knows, He hears what we are saying. He is observing us. He sees what we are doing. He is with us every time. So He is all seeing and all hearing. He has full knowledge of everything. I know the day on which I was born. It is my birthday. But Allah was never born. He always was. He always is, and He always will be. Allah is so great. He gives us life. He gives us health. He cures us when we are sick. So Allah gives us health and life. Allah made the day for us. Allah made the night for us. He is merciful. He is very near to us. So I told you that He knows everything. He is very near to us. He is observing us all the time. He is hearing us all the time. He is seeing us all the time. So He is very near to us. So He helps us in difficulties. Okay? He is merciful. He helps us in difficulties. Allah has blessed us with ears, eyes, nose, mouth, everything that we are having. Who has gifted us? Allah. It is He who has gifted me with hearing the voices. It is He who has gifted me with the mouth. Allah gives me the food that I eat. Not only me, to every man on the earth, to every animal on earth, to every bird in the sky, to everything that has life, Allah gives food to eat. Does Allah want anything in return for all His favor to us? Yes. Allah wants us to be thankful to Him. In previous lesson, we also come to know that He wants us to be thankful to Him. He wants us to be good. Okay? He wants us to be thankful to Him. He wants us to be conscious of Him. He wants us to be aware of Him. That all praise is due to Him alone. He is the only one. He is the only creator of this world. So, He wants us to be conscious of Him. He wants us to worship Him alone because He is all powerful. So, He wants us to worship Him alone. To Him only He wants us to turn for help. When we are in any difficulty, He wants us to turn for help to Him only. So, that was it. It was about Allah is merciful. Now, page number 10. Allah is merciful. Page number 10. Activity B. Underline the correct answer. Number 1. Nothing in the skies is hidden from Allah. Yes. Nothing on the earth or in the skies is hidden from Allah. Allah knows everything. Everything on the earth is hidden from Allah? No. Allah knows everything. Nothing is hidden from Him. Allah is very far from us? Yes. No. Allah is very near to us. Allah is very near to us. He is all seeing. He is all hearing. He is very near to us. Allah helps us in all our difficulties? Yes. He is the only one who helps us in our difficulties. So, this is your book work. You are going to do it on page number 10. Watch the video twice for better understanding. Do the book work. Inshallah, we'll meet you in the next class with a new topic. Till then, take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.